Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Code with Nav. In the continuation of our Java 8 feature series, today we will see what are static methods. So far we have covered what are default method, what is default methods with respect to multiple inheritance, and today we will see what are static methods inside an interface. So from Java 1.8 version onwards, in addition to default methods, we can write a static method as well. So we can write these static method inside an interface to define utility function. How do we define a static method inside an interface? Let me go to my Eclipse. Let me remove unnecessary code from my previous video. So this is how we can define default method inside an interface. Now let's say how we can define a static method inside an interface. So inside an interface we can define a static method pretty much simple as we can do in classes: public, static, return type, void, and name of the method. Let's say I want to sum, which will accept two parameter int a comma int b, and here I am printing sum of two number. Let's say the sum is a plus b. So this is how I can define a static method inside an interface. Now next thing can come in your mind is, how do we call this method? Okay, this is my demo class. I need to implement interface, and we can create object of demo, and we can call that method on the reference of ten comma 5. See, I'm getting error, compile time error. Why? Let me read this method. The method sum is undefined for the type demo. So interface static method by default not available to the implementation class. Hence, by using implementation class reference, we cannot call a static method from interface. So this is wrong approach. Now see, can we call something like this: demo dot sum and passing 10 or 5, which is also wrong, right? What they are saying, the method sum is undefined for the type demo. So how do we call this method from main class? So basically we do not need to create an object to call a static method. Static means we are calling we are talking about class level, right? Not instance level. So we can call something like this one using the reference of interf and saying that please call my sum method, which is accepting two integer, let's say 10 and 2. Save this one, run this one, and you are getting the expected output. So I have done these two things because I want to show you that static method of an interface can not call from creating an object and calling the method on that reference. No, We cannot call static method on the reference of implementation class, which is also wrong. So right way to call static method from from interface is using the interface name and calling that some method and getting the expected output. I hope you got the basic idea of how do we define our static methods and how do we call those static method from our implementation class. So that's it from my side. I hope you like it. If you like this one, please do subscribe, do like my videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.